Hi, I'm Kinjal, and my daughter Kaya has been attending Kara for Kids for almost a year now. We started when my daughter was about 6 months old, and in a very short span of time of a year, our experience with Kara has been nothing but wonderful. Uh, when we first started looking for a daycare, what we really wanted was a safe and caring and a nurturing environment for my daughter, which is not just focused on spending her day but also on her development. When we visited Kara for Kids for the first time, the warmth that we saw with the staff and the explanation that we got about their services from the admin and the team was very warm, and the fact that we were able to understand and comprehend well on how my daughter's development is going to happen from there on really gave us the right confidence in their services. Uh, it was a very difficult decision for us to start leaving our child at a daycare at a tender age of 6 months. But all the caregivers, all the DDs at Kara for Kids made the transition very smooth. They've been very supportive. They gave us so much reassurance. And I can see all of that transpiring into how my daughter is now growing up, her communication skills, her social skills, her development. I can see all of that happening the way a parent would really want for their child. On a daily basis, I see that the team involves my daughter in multiple activities, whether it is singing and dancing, a little bit of art and craft, there is a little bit of outdoor play, and they keep on sharing that information with us. So we don't feel that we are disconnected with her growth even while we are dropping her at a daycare, but we feel very involved in the entire process. I think one thing that I've truly appreciated with the team has been their transparent communication, whether it is with respect to what they plan to do in the upcoming months or weeks, or it is pertaining to how my daughter's growth is. We've always received very transparent communication with them, from them, and also the best part is that even when I have specific needs that I would want to communicate basis my child's growth, I have been able to communicate it with them very clearly, and they have been very receptive of it. So kudos to the entire team at Kara. Thanks to them, as a working parent, I have been able to go back to work relieved, and also see my child growing up into a very independent child, to say the least. And I would want to specially mention everyone, right from the DDs at Kara for Kids to Nisheen ma'am, to Mercy ma'am, Anita ma'am, who's the class teacher for my daughter. They've all been very, very nice with us, and thank you so much for always taking good care of my daughter.